Oh, that's our
No,
normal
no,
bombs
this
left
is
to drop
normal.
them.
That's normal.
This is normal.
That here is center. Sometimes when it goes on, it can be a little twisted. So we need to make sure.
From the
Honestly, the
jet.
fuse.
Yeah. Oh shit, there's a lot of wire.
The boom has an extending wire. That wire is touching that tire.
Right.
So that's how close we get. We have to go around because if we did that for the MHU, it wouldn't fit. So we have to go around the tire.
And there's also a picture. They're pretty true.
Yeah, so like what needs to be built in order for it?